10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hi Tao, I'd really appreciate it if you could please take your timer with you when you leave the lab. I mean, I keep having to hear it beep in there. So please, thank you.
This is Dawn, a postdoc in Golden's lab. She is allergic to the beeping sounds. If you don't intend to piss Dawn or Susan or anybody in the lab off, the easiest way to do it is shut them up. This is John, another postdoc in Golden's lab, Dawn's husband and our safety officer.
Welcome to your first day of UCSD waste stream training. This is not like the places where you worked before. The places where you worked before, the rules were silly, the rules were worthless and weak, they were not enforced. Here at UCSD, we pay attention to the rules and dispose of the trash in a proper manner. This is a standard issue trash can. It is for your standard issue trash. Tips do not go in here. Broken glass does not go in here. Biological waste does not go in here. And for the love of God and all that is holy, this is chemical waste does not go in here. This is a recycling bin. In this bin you shall place your waste paper, your waste foil, but you shall not place dirty food items or laboratory supplies. This is your standard issue mini biohazard bin. In this bin you shall be able to place tips and other small biological disposal hazard. This is not for chemical waste. When you put a bag in here, it is a small red bag, not a clear bag, not a black bag. This is your standard issue biological hazard containment system. Inside you will find 2 red biohazard bags. Both these bags have been addressed to the UCSD facility. You shall fill this bag up until it is full. You shall take the bag down to the autoclave room, but for the love of God, you shall not autoclave it. This is a broken glass box. This box is not for biologically hazardous broken glass. It's for broken glass that you have dropped on the floor and properly swept up and disposed of every bit of glass inside this container. You shall not put your test tubes in this bag unless they are clean from biologically hazardous waste. This is a sharps container. This container is for needles, razor blades, microscope slides, any small sharps container. This is not for your tips. These containers shall be filled until it is near the top. It shall be sealed and disposed of properly. This is your broken glass for biological hazardous broken glass. You shall put empty test tubes in here once they have been bleached out and cleaned of any biological material. This container shall be filled and then shipped off for waste. At UCSD, they have their own special way of disposing of ethidium bromide. They have one container just for your ethidium bromide gels, one container for your gloves and other tips that have touched ethidium bromide. Your buffer is also disposed of in its own special manner in a car buoy that is taken care of by the hazardous waste material. This is a small hazardous waste container. Do not confuse it with the small biohazardous waste container. You can tell it is different from the yellow tag and the danger hazardous material sticker on it. You shall put the wastes in here that are listed on the yellow tag. The tag is good for 3 months. After 3 months, we shall arrange for a pickup of this biohazard waste by the UCSD staff. Are there any questions?